let's talk about that for just a minute. So when we think about technology enablement, and it doesn't matter, in my opinion, it doesn't matter whether we're talking employee facing, customer facing, or we're talking about product and evangelist, it's always some way of making that job better and more informed, better processes. Do you agree with that, or do you see the technology enablement being slightly different?
Well, so I think people get confused with two statements, right? Transformation is about transforming the business and experiences and being more competitive. But that doesn't mean technology isn't really important. In fact, it's critically important to pick technologies that integrate well, right? That allow bring data in and out of their systems, that are easy to evolve. We talk about in agile terms, let's get to the MVP, right? Let's get to customer experience, let's get that feedback. But we know we're going to be doing versions 1.1 all the way to versions 9.9 very rapidly. And so we need really nimble platforms that allow us get voice of customer, think about what's strategic, go quickly implement things, get feedback, and continue to evolve that. And I think, from a node code perspective, I've never been in an IT department that has enough people to service all the departments, all the applications, all the modernizations, all the integrations that I'm trying to do. There's a lot of things that I can get out of SaaS, but there's also a lot of things that are truly proprietary in terms of the data I want to collect, in terms of the workflow that I'm trying to do. And, quite frankly, I don't have enough people in IT to do all this stuff, but I also need people outside of IT to say, look, we're the subject matter experts. We can build this workflow much more efficiently and faster, partnering with IT, being hands-on with it, and using best practices that my IT group gives me in terms of naming conventions and testing and deploying. And so that partnership, picked with the right platforms, can really lead to a digital transformation that maybe is going 70 or 80 miles per hour instead of 30 or 40 miles per hour. So we're doing it faster, and we're also doing it a lot smarter because we're able to integrate our data and our workflow with other tools that are part of our enterprises.